Discover the PA53 BIO Series microscopes. Precision optics, smart automation, and ergonomic design for superior scientific insights. The PA53 BIO Series, including the PA53 BIO FS6 and motorized models, is specifically designed for a wide range of life sciences, research, biomedical, and clinical applications. Its customizable system is built to meet the unique needs of professionals, delivering exceptional performance for advanced microscopy, fluorescence imaging, and providing top-tier solutions for automation. The PA53 BIO Series delivers exceptional color fidelity and precise imaging, fulfilling the more demanding requests for precise differentiation of all types of tissue structures, as well as detailed visualization of cellular features. Its versatility in terms of optical configuration includes the option to choose between Plan UC achromatic, Plan epichromatic, and Plan fluor objectives to support advanced microscopy needs. With magnifications from 2 times to 100 times and a wide 25 mm field of view, it ensures superior clarity and performance for both detailed and broad observations. The series is equipped with a 10 watts LED full color illuminator, delivering exceptional image clarity, crucial for accurate observation of any sample. With adjustable light intensity, users can customize the illumination to suit any sample or environment, making it an indispensable tool for precise and detailed analysis. Specifically designed for professionals who work long hours, the PA53 BIO Series incorporates a range of ergonomic features thoughtfully engineered to enhance comfort, reduce strain and fatigue, and support overall well-being, while also improving workflow efficiency. The PA53 BIO FS6 is equipped with a high-power 3-channel Lumos LED illuminator, featuring independent channel control for precise fluorescence imaging, perfect for applications with demanding fluorescence illumination. Its coded 6-position filter cube turret optimizes workflows, while the available Plan fluor objectives deliver outstanding image quality and clarity across all fluorescence applications. The PA53 BIO models offer various motorized options, including focusing, nosepiece, and stage, optimizing efficiency for automation-driven workflows. Seamlessly controlled via the intuitive analysis BIO software and compatible with third-party platforms, they ensure precision and flexibility for both diagnostic and research applications. With a perfect blend of precision, versatility, and advanced features, the PA53 BIO Series sets a new standard in professional microscopy, offering innovation and flexibility for research, biomedical, and clinical fields. Expand your capabilities further with Motic digital cameras and analysis BIO software, ensuring enhanced imaging precision for even the most demanding applications. Discover the full potential of the PA53 BIO Series microscopes at moticeurope.com.